Hello, this video is part 2 of proportion. So let's look at our number routine. Jessica can do 80 sit-ups in 2 minutes. At the same rate, Dale can do blank sit-ups in 5 minutes. How many sit-ups can Dale do in 5 minutes? Make a table if you want. Well, I'm going to do it. I don't care what it says. Sit-ups minutes. So it's about sit-ups in minutes. Jessica can do 80 sit-ups in 2 minutes. How many sit-ups can Dale do? Let's see. What's the relationship between 2 to 5 minutes? Times 2.5. That is one way you can do it. Or let's do it this way. What's the relationship between 2 to 80? Times 40. So 5 times 40 is 200. Do you know another way you can show this? How about simplifying? Times it by half. Half of 80 is 4. Half of 2 is 1. Then times 5, and that's another way you could have done it. So in today's activity, we're going to be doing two major activities. One of it is a group activity where you'll be getting these cards, and you have to decide, did they write it in proportional form, yes or no? Some of them will be correct, some of them will not. So for example, card A. At Betty's school, there is one teacher for every 8 students. So one teacher for 18 students. There are 504 students. Which proportion can be used to find X the number of teachers? I think this is written correctly. B. Beth worked 8 hours and made $59.50. Which of the following proportion could be used to find how many hours she could work to make $85? So we have to simplify. I think that one, yep. We're not solving it again. We're just deciding does it make a proportion or not? In a carton containing 25 avocados, so avo, 2 are smushed or smashed. Which proportion could be used to find the number of smashed avocados you would expect to find if you have 125 avocado? So 25 125 5 times would be 10. That does make a proportion. D. At Spillane Middle School, there are 5 new computers for every old computers. Which proportion could be used to find a number of new computers if there are 28 old? Times 4 times 4 to be 20. I think they all make A. Actually, they're not. There are going to be like several cards. The first 4, as you can tell, do make a proportion, but there will be some that do not. And then the next thing is Pokemon Go! Yay! So what you're going to be doing is with your device and your Enigma or your QR scanner, you're going to be getting a set of questions. Many questions. You're going to get the question, and you're going to match the answer with the QR question. If you did it correctly, you will get a Pokemon Go. You will make a proportion or you will make a table to solve it. For example, during a 40-hour week, Brendan earned $360. How much would he earn if he only worked 10 hours? So it's about hours and money. 40 hours, he made $360. 10 hours. 2 ways I can do it. What is the scale factor from 40 to 360 times 9? 90. Another way I could do it is times it by a fourth or divide by 4. 360 divided by 4 or 360, a fourth of it is 90. And then if you scan this, it'll be one of those characters. Charu, I don't know, the little fat yellow dingy. Oh God, what is that name? His name is, I can't remember. And that is our activity for today.